Right, so I'm doing the old oil change on the Vauxhall Combo 1.7 Combo C. Just the oil and oil filter change down there. To get the oil filter out, I'm using this. So 32mm that you need to use. It focuses. That will just slide. That just slides on there. And then I've got this like little twisty knob bit because this thing gets in the way. So I'm just going to use that. But I'm going to do that in a minute. I'm going to get the oil out first. I'm going to check the oil with the dipstick. But I'm going to be using this oil pump to make it nice and clean and easy. So I've just done the old dipstick, as you can see here. It's down by the minimum, so it's needing some more oil anyway. But I'll warm up the engine first because it makes getting the oil out easier for the pump, apparently, according to the videos that I've watched. But yeah, we'll do that now. As you can see here, look, just a few pumps and it sucks it in, and then just starts fucking filling up, lads. So don't know if there's these engines take like 4.5, 4.7 I think. Just wondering here if there's like there's nothing on there that tells you. That's the only annoying thing, is there's nothing on the pump that tells you the literage, so you can't really see, but you'll know when this fill up because there'll be nothing more coming out. But yeah, you just sit around and wait about 5 minutes now. Just realised there is a little way to check the literage. So this is a 6.5 litre pump. So what it would be is each one of these will be a litre. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and obviously that would be a little after. But if it's going to be about 4.5 litres coming out, 1, 2, 3, 4 should be up to about there, and then you'll sort of know when your oil's all out. There you go, Dad. Look, easiest fucking oil change ever. Just standing around now waiting for it to fill up. Easiest, don't have to lift it up, don't have to worry about getting oil on your hands from the drain plug. Easiest oil change ever. You'll know when it's getting near the end because it starts making like a, no, you can hear the air. Don't know if you can hear it on the video, but you can sort of hear the last bits of air coming out, and you just wiggle it about a bit so it sucks up the last bit of oil. And then yeah, I've already loosened this up, so then what I'm going to do is take this bit off, that little loose bit, and then so it's a stiff bit because I've already loosened it, so it should come off easy now. So that's it, done now basically. So it's took what, 1, 2, 3, 4, just over 4 litres, and the van itself takes 4.5 litres. You've got to fill it, so yeah, I've lost like what, 0.4 litres since the last oil change, so not bad. So that was like 2 years ago as well. No, diesels are rock solid. My car I do every fucking 6 months or a year, which I do the oil change when the oil turns up on Monday. I'm on Saturday at the moment, but it turned up Monday. I'll do that next Saturday probably. But yeah, so get this taken out now, cleaned up, get the filter off, put that on, and then fill the oil up. That's all loosened up now, so you can just get this off by hand now, and it'll just pull out. And I've got a little doggy poop bag to stick the filter in, so I can chuck it in the bin. And then what you do is you just use a little flathead to just get the little rubber rings off. There's 3 all together, 1 there, 1 there, 1 here. Sorry, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 on here. And you get new ones when you do it. Stick the new ones back on in the same place. So nice and easy. So they're all on. The new little rings. Just use the flathead to squeeze them back on again, and then what you do, just put your finger in here, get a bit of oil, and just wipe it around the new. Just wipe it around the new ones. You know, just so things will get like lubricated up. And oh shit! Yeah, I'll put the filter back on in a minute, and all that sort of stuff. I took my gloves off, my hands have got dirty. I suggest wearing latex gloves when you're doing it. It makes it so much easier. But yeah, I'll do that now. Put the filter on, filter just pops on like this. Just so hard doing it with one hand. But yeah, the filter will pop on like that in a minute, and that'll be done. So the filter's on, and I had to move these things here to get the thing out because it was a bit annoying. So you just pull it towards you a little bit, like that. Squeeze it in, like there. Get in there, you bastard. Put it in. Do it hand tight as far as you can, and then last little bit tighten up. With that done, dusted, then all you got to do is fill the oil, and that's it. Tie it on. Just put these little bits back on. Like I say, I'll move that away. I'll clip these on in a minute, or I might just leave it. I don't know. But yeah, it's all on there. Really tight. Not really tight, but when you get to where it goes and it don't go no more, literally just move it like a couple of mil, and that's it. You don't want to break it, but that's all it needs to do. And then I'll fill this up. Done. So what I'll do here with the oil is I'll fill it 4 litres, check it with a dipstick, and then top up what I need to from there. But yeah, get yourself a little funnel thing, makes it so much easier. Just pour straight in. So I'll put exactly 4 in, as you can see on the dipstick is between the top and the bottom. So I add the last little, I'll say I'll add the quarter, and then I'll check it again. So I've done that. It's exactly 4, and start at the top now. See on the dipstick, and I used exactly 4.5 on this. You can see by the bottle, exactly 4.5ish. Yeah, and that's it all done. Easiest oil change in the history of oil changes. Right, and that's it all done. All started up. Everything's good. Nothing's leaking. Nothing's moving. Everything's perfect. Using that pump, that oil pump there, it's the easiest thing. The easiest oil change I've ever done. Normally I jack everything up, do the sun plug, oil gets everywhere, try and get the sun plug off, all that sort of stuff. But yeah, easiest oil change that I've ever done.